In this video, we are going to learn most confusing Hindi grammar, that is Karak. In English, it is called case. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. I'm here to improve your level of Hindi. So, let's seize the day. And one more thing, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for further notification. Let's see कारक की परिभाषा. Definition of कारक. संज्ञा या सर्वनाम. संज्ञा means noun, सर्वनाम means pronoun के जिस रूप से उसका सीधा संबंध क्रिया के साथ, क्रिया means verb के साथ ज्ञात हो, वो कारक कहलाता है. It means the form of a noun or pronoun which shows the relationship with other words or verb. In the sentence, it is called karak. In short, karak are words that connect subject, object and verb to each other to form a sentence. We have 8 types of karak in Hindi. Now let's move on to the third one, Karan-karak. The sign is se ke dwara. In English we can call using something, by something or with something. These are not exactly English meaning of say, but these words actually give us the idea of when to use say in Hindi sentences. The object using by or with which the subject completes the action, that object is known as Karan-karak, and we connect that object using say with the rest of the sentence. Let's understand this with some example. Example 1. बालक गेंद से खेल रहा है. The child is playing with the ball. The subject, balak means the child, is completing the action with the ball, using the ball. So we write गेंद से. So we write say after the object. Let's see some more udharan, means example. राहुल पेंसिल से लिखता है. Rahul writes with pencil. Rahul is using pencil with pencil. So we write pencil से. पेंसिल से लिखता है. Next example. राधा कार से आती है. Radha comes by car. Here Radha is using car. Okay. By Radha comes by car. Car से. So we say कार से. Example. माँ ने चाकू से सेब काटा. Mother cut the apple with the knife. Mother is using the knife to cut the apple. So, chaku se. Go. One more time. These words are Karan-karak in the sentence. That is, object. The object is using or with which the subject completes the action. Okay? Okay, let's see more example. Now we will see dwara. In in Hindi we use dwara means by or the media through which the action is being done. First example, Raja Rath ke dwara महल गया. King went to palace by cart, or you can say royal cart. The subject or the king is completing the action using the rath. So the media is rath. In Hindi we will write ke dwara. के द्वारा. One more example. पत्र के द्वारा सूचना मिल गई थी. I received the message by the letter. By the letter. पत्र के द्वारा. The king is completing the action by rath, royal cart. रथ के द्वारा. Received the message by the letter. पत्र के द्वारा. So, we connect the object using se and के द्वारा with the rest of the sentence. The fourth one is sampradan-karak. Let's learn sampradan-karak. Sampradan. Sampradan means to give something, either the service or to give something. The general idea is that when we have for in English sentences, for that we use के लिए. And when we have to, we use को in Hindi. And remember, these meanings and ideas are to make the thing easy for you to understand. So now we will understand when to use के लिए and when to use को. When the subject either does something for a noun or pronoun, we use for. के लिए. We use के लिए. Okay. Second case, when the subject gives something to noun or pronoun. In Hindi, we use को. We use को. So that noun or pronoun is known as sampradan-karak. We use के लिए or को. Depends on these conditions. Let's understand these with more example. First example, स्वास्थ्य के लिए योगा करो. Do yoga for health. For health. That's why we have used के लिए. स्वास्थ्य के लिए. Next example. गुरुजी को फल दो. Give teacher the fruits. Give to whom? To teacher. Guruji ko. So we write Guruji ko. के लिए and ko are sampradan-karak. Let's understand this with more example. The first example. राहुल ने मोहन के लिए उपहार लाया. Rahul bought gifts for Mohan. For Mohan. So we write के लिए. के लिए. Let's see the next example. अध्यापक ने छात्रों के लिए पुस्तक लिखी. अध्यापक ने छात्रों के लिए पुस्तक लिखी means teacher wrote the book for student. For the student. So we write के लिए. के लिए. Okay. Let's learn the udharan for ko. Now let's understand how to use Karan-karak, and that is ko. So when the subject gives something to noun or pronoun, we use ko. Like in this example. माँ ने गरीबों को खाना दिया. Mother gave food to poor people. Gave to whom? Gave to whom? गरीबों को. So here गरीबों is sampradan-karak. We write गरीबों को. To the poor. Next example. राधा ने उसको पैसे दिए. Radha gave money to her. उसको पैसे दिए. Now us means her and her is a pronoun. So we merge ko and it becomes usko. One word. Okay. Garibon ko. It will be in two words, but when you combine ko with pronoun, it becomes one word. Usko. Test yourself. Identify which one is Karan-karak and sampradan-karak among these sentences. पिताजी पेन से लिखते हैं. Father writes with pen. Second one, माँ ने सचिन के लिए मिठाई बनाई. Mother made sweet for Sachin. रिया को खिलौना दिया. Rama gave toy to Riya. सूरज बस के द्वारा स्कूल जाता है. सूरज goes to school by bus. Now check your answer. This is the end of the video. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comments section. Best of luck for your exam. Please take care. Bye.